Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can disable GoGuardian. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step, you simply need to click on the plus icon on the top. Here you need to click on this star icon and create a bookmark with the name of GoGuardian and click on OK. And then you need to click on this and click on edit, and here you need to add any URL and add any value in that, so that is randomly okay, and click on save. And then once you are on this tab, once you search for anything, and it will not appear any results. And if you want to change, you simply need to click on three dots, and here you need to click on the option that is bookmarks. Okay, and here you can go onto the tab and click on edit, and you can add it as well from here as well and change the value and add any URL according to your choice that what you want. So this is a simple process. Then you need to click on save, and this is a process by which you can disable GoGuardian. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.